Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Planck token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Planck is the first AI layer 0 and GPU native infrastructure stack for AI and deepin. Planck is orchestrating the world's compute through the first AI native layer 2, layer 0 and GPU native layer 1 Planck 1, enabling sovereign AI chains, deepin protocols, and modular L1s with seamless real-time access to enterprise-grade GPU infrastructure. Unlike simple GPU marketplace, Planck delivers a vertically integrated AI cloud stack with 90% lower cost of compute, elastic scaling vector database, and programmable infrastructure designed for on-chain orchestration and agent economics. Planck token total supply is 500 million and circulating supply is 76.55 million Planck token. Planck token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.